Welcome to my new course on DevOps course and certification with comprehensive training. DevOps is in high demand these days because it helps companies work better and faster. DevOps is the emerging of two companies, development and operation. DevOps unites the development team, which is responsible for creating software, with the operation team, which is responsible for ensuring the smooth functioning of the software. This collaboration allows for quicker and more reliable delivery of software, which is crucial in today's fast-paced and competitive business environment. This course module provides comprehensive training on DevOps and the tools related to it. It covers topics such as Git, Jenkins, Maven integration, continuous integration using Jenkins, configuration management using Ansible, containerization using Docker, orchestration using Kubernetes, CI/CD with Jenkins, along with various real-time CI/CD DevOps projects. My name is Shikhar Verma and I am the instructor and author of this entire course module. I am having more than 13 years of experience in the IT industry and has had the opportunity to work for various respected companies. My passion lies in creating online, job-oriented certified courses. I am having more than 90,000 students online. Let's take a look at the course curriculum. This course is divided into several modules. Here we have overview of DevOps, version control with Git, working with branches in Git, conflict resolution in Git, real project examples, scenario-based cases, GitHub Deep Drive, in which we'll discuss about the cherry pick, tags, rebase and merge in Git. And then we'll have the Apache Maven, Spring Boot Maven project, SonarQube, code quality tool for better code, Maven deploy to Nexus repository, and then you can see we have module 10, which is Jenkins automation software DevOps tool, Jenkins GitHub integration, build pipeline, continuous delivery versus continuous deployment. We'll have several projects like deploy the war file package to a Tomcat server using Jenkins, using the CI/CD, Jenkins pipeline, in which we'll discuss about the declarative pipeline, configuration management using Ansible, how to implement the playbooks, managing variables and inclusions in Ansible, implementing task control in Ansible, containerization using Docker and how to use the Docker file. And then we'll have the real-time CI/CD DevOps project. It's an end-to-end CI/CD pipeline project, manual as well as using Jenkins. And then we'll have a separate module on orchestration using Kubernetes, Kubernetes concepts, cluster types, Minikube server, YML, pod, kubelet, and many more things we'll discuss in this section. Then we'll have the concept of labels and selectors in Kubernetes, scaling, replication, deployment, and rollback. Finally, we'll have a real-time project in which I'm going to show you how to deploy an application to a Kubernetes cluster using Jenkins CI/CD. There are many modules in the pipeline that will be added soon. Please don't solely rely on my statement. I encourage you to take a look at the reviews which I have received on my various courses on Udemy. I regularly update my courses. If you have any concerns, suggestions or queries, you can put them in the question and answer forum of this course module. I hope by now you are convinced. Still, if you have any doubts, you know the policy, 30 days money back guarantee policy. So this course will help you to take you to the next level of your career. So the question is, are you ready for the challenge? If yes, then enroll the course today only and let's learn together. Thank you.